Welcome to 505 Dove Court in Kissimmee, Florida. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home with a 2-car garage. Let's take a look around the neighborhood outside first so you get a good idea of what's up. Right now it's about 10:30 in the morning, but you get an idea to see what your neighbors are doing. Nice and quiet. It's actually a beautiful day here in Central Florida. Those are your neighbors. Let's take a look inside. Go through the front door. This whole home has been recently renovated. When you first enter inside, this is your living, dining area. It's quite large. Typically you would dine over here. Got some new fixtures there. On the left, to get an idea of the color scheme, there's a fireplace in the corner and a patio to the back door up there. You'll see every a major room in this house has ceiling fans, and the ceilings are nearly textured and painted. No popcorn in here. All the floors in the house are tile, so you don't have any carpet and allergies and stuff like that to worry about. Okay, let's take a look around. As you go inside the house, first thing you see is the kitchen on your left. Got your appliances in here, a place for a dinette table. We're gonna look back. Lots of lighting in this kitchen. As you can see, it's nice and bright. When you turn to your left, the laundry is inside the house, so you don't have to worry about going outside and sweating it out. And it's also well lit in there with a couple of shelves. Here's a nice sized pantry that's also in the kitchen. And then we take a reverse look at the kitchen. There are your appliances, cabinets, and of course a really sharp looking granite countertop to match everything else in the house. Okay, all right. Let's go back out the kitchen. Turning right from the kitchen before we leave. This is the garage. It's a nice 2-car garage, and again, this house was painted top to bottom, as you can see. Got some building materials still to remove. Renovations were just completed. Come back inside. And again, there's your look of your kitchen. Turning back around from the kitchen, there's your front door. Again, you can see there's light everywhere in this house. There's your fireplace and ceiling fans. Okay, so just look at bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1 is pretty sizable. Again, ceiling fan. Lots of light. This is the front bedroom in the house, and those closet doors you're looking at are actually wall-to-wall closet. So it's literally, I'm guessing, about 8 foot of closet space. If you take a look inside, you see it goes all the way down to either side. So there's a lot of closet space in this particular room. Let's take a look outside. Go back out, back into the living room. Turn right. Here, you're gonna see bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2, more standard sized bedroom, a little smaller than bedroom 1. You can see the closet, nice generous window, and lovely painted and textured walls and ceilings. Come back out, this is your little hallway. Here's bathroom. The hallway bathroom, or bathroom number 2. Nice modern vanity. Lots of light. That's a really attractive looking shower fixtures that we got there. Okay. Continuing on. Bedroom number 3. Again, there's your closet space. Bedroom number 3 is the back of the house. You have a little view of the backyard. There's a fruit tree over there. And if you look over here, there's actually a place to do your barbecue. We'll take a look at that in a minute. This is bedroom number 3. Come back out. Master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. So it's a split plan. It's completely in the opposite side. And again, you can. This side master bedroom is actually pretty large, pretty sizable. Let's see if we could get an idea of that here. This master bedroom does come with its own walk-in closet, as you can see there. Master bathroom, vanity, granite, lots of light, and then you got this terrific shower here on this side. Here's your toilet, and a beautiful shower down in here. That's pretty sizable. Lots of room in that shower there, so you don't feel cramped at all. That's pretty much it for the inside of the house. We'll take a quick look outside. The back, you got a nice little brick laid patio, pavers, and lots of space here to put a nice barbecue, a smoker, or whatever you want. Lots of room to entertain out here. There's a little planter there for your herbs. There's a fruit tree in the corner over there. And then on either side, that's the usual stuff. Your AC over here. And we take a quick look on the other side. And that's the other side. There's another tree over here. And that's it. We head back inside. And that's it for 505 Dove Court.